So students, in previous class we have discussed about place value and face value, how to find the place value and face value for the given digit in the given number. So in today's class, in your page number 91, in today's class we will discuss about expanded form and short form. Expanded form and short form. Okay, so there is a small connection between expanded form and the place value of the number for given digit, for given number. If you find the place value of every digit in the given number and expanded form, and for that place value of every number there is a small connection. How? Let us see. I will tell you. Okay, the expanded form. So with this sentence you will clearly understand what I am saying. I said there is a small connection between this expanded form and the place values of all the digits of a number. So how? The expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of its digits. Sum of the place values of its digits. So the expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of its digits. So what I said, there is a connection between expanded form and place values of each digit in the given number. So how? If you add all the place values of every digit in the given number, if you add all of them, then that will become the expanded form. How? Let us see. So he has given an example here. Example is so let us see what is that. 84562, 84,562. So if I find the place values of all the digits in the number, for 8, for 4, for 5, for 6, for 2, if I add the place values of all the digits, only place values only, not face values. If I add the place values of every digit in the number, then I will get the expanded form. So let us see. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Okay, so let us see how. So 8 is in which place? So I am finding the place value of 8. 8 is in which place? 10,000s place. So 8 into 10,000 is the place value of 8. I can write it like this also. 8 into 10,000, no? 8 10,000s. That is the place value of 8. Okay, 8 10,000s. Plus 4 place value is what? 4 into 1000 means 4,000s. Okay, next 5 place value is what? Place value of 5 is what? 5 hundreds. 5 is in hundreds place, no? 5 hundreds. Okay, next place 6 place value is what? 6 tens. Plus 2 is in which place? Ones. 2 ones. So this is the expanded form of this number. If we are adding the place values of every digit in the given number, then that will become the expanded form of the given number. How? 8 10,000s, 4,000s, 500s, 6 tens, 2 ones. So 8 10,000s means 8 into 10,000. Okay, I will write it above so that it is very visible for you. I think it will be very clear for you. Okay, I am rubbing this. So 8 10,000 means 8 into 10,000. Okay, plus 4,000 means 4 into 1,000, plus 500 means 5 into 100, plus 6 tens means 6 into 10, plus 2 ones means 2 into 1. Clear? So 8 into 10,000 means 80,000, plus 4 into 1,000 means 4,000, plus 5 into 100 means 500, plus 6 into 10 means 60, plus 2 into 1 means 2. If you add all of this, what you will get? 80,000 plus 4,000, 84,000, 500 plus 60 plus 2, 562. Did you get the same value or not? So if you find out the place values of every digit in the given number, if you add all of them, then that is called the expanded form. Remember that expanded form means it is not a new thing. If you find out the place value for every digit in the number, if you add all of them, if you sum all of them, adding, no, so 8 10,000s plus 4,000s plus 500s plus 6 tens plus 2 ones, you are adding all of them, no. If you add all of them, then you will get the expanded form. That's all. It is not a new thing. Okay, so let us see this with some examples. Okay, how to find out the expanded form. Okay, let us see. So example, I am giving you some examples. Okay, find the expanded form for 652. This is a smaller number, no? 652, you have to find the expanded form. This is in short form. This is original form of the number, so this is called the short form. Okay, so if you are adding all the place values of this number, then it will become expanded form. This is short form, original form, standard form or short form. This is called the standard form. In numerical form it is there, it is called the standard form or short form. If you are expanding by adding all the place values of every digit in the number, then it will become the expanded form. So for 652, we have to find the expanded form. So for finding the expanded form, what we have to do? We have to find the place values of every digit in the number. So here we are having 6, 5, 2. 3 digits are there, no? So for these 3 digits, you have to find the place values and you have to sum. Okay, this is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, no? So 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. 6 hundreds. 6 hundreds is the place value of 6. Next place, 5 is in which place? Tens place. 5 tens. Plus 2 is in which place? Ones place. 2 ones. So this is the expanded form of the number 652. Clear? So like that we have to find out the expanded form. I will give one more example. Okay, so if the number is in numerical form, in the form of numbers, then it is called short form or standard form. Okay, if the number is in numerical form, means that is the original form. In numbers only, 612, 72, these are all in numbers. So that is called the standard form or short form. That is the original form of the number. Okay, so when you are expanding, if you are summing all the place values of the digits, then it will become the expanded form. Find the expanded form of 8412. 8412. So let us see. 8412. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. So if I find out the place values of every digit and add them, then I will get the expanded form, no? So that statement which we have discussed at the starting of the topic is that one only, no? Expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of its digits. So like that you have to understand. 8412. So 8 is in which place? Thousands. 8 thousands. This is the short form. Okay. He has given the short form. Now we have to convert into the expanded form. 8 in thousands place. 8 thousands. 8 thousands is the place value of 8. Next 4 is in which place? Hundreds. 4 hundreds is the 4 hundreds. This one is the place value of 4 plus 1 tenths. 1 is in tens place, no? So 1 tenths. That is the place value of 1. Next 2 ones. Okay. 8 thousands plus 4 hundreds, 1 tenths, 2 ones. This is the expanded form of 8412. Okay. So like that you have to understand the concept. So I have given you 2 examples. Okay. So with this we have completed the topic, I think, expanded form and short form. So let us look at the 6-digit numbers now. Next topic is 6-digit numbers. Six-digit numbers. So here there is we know that we know that 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Means it is the largest 5-digit number. Okay. Largest means what I said, starting is the smallest, ending is the largest or greatest. Okay. Means up to here only, up to this 99,999 only you will have 5 digits. After this number means you have to add +1 to this number. You will get 6-digit numbers. Okay. So up to here only 5-digit numbers are there. Means 5-digit numbers are ending at 99,999. So that's why it is becoming the largest 5-digit number. Okay. That's why it is becoming the largest 5-digit number. Starting number will be the smallest, starting of that digit. If you are talking about 5-digit, starting of 5-digit will be from where? 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest number because from that number only smallest 5-digit number. Why? From that number only 5-digit numbers are starting. From 10,000 only 5-digit numbers are starting. That's why it is the smallest 5-digit number. What is the largest 5-digit number? 99,999. Why? At here only the 5-digit numbers are ending. That's why it is the largest 5-digit number. So when we add 1, so for this number I am adding 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 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 Okay. So this number is called what? From here up to here we are having 5 digits only, but after this number, after means we are adding 1. After this number we are getting this number only now. That's why if we add 1 we will get the next number. After number means successor of 99,999 is 1 lakh only. So from 1 lakh how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 1 lakh 6-digit numbers are starting. So this is the smallest 6-digit number. Okay. As 6-digit numbers are starting from 1 lakh only, so this is called the smallest 6-digit number. Okay. So like that we have to understand. We will call this number as what? 1 lakh. This number is called 1 lakh in Indian system. Okay. It is called 100,000 in international system. Okay, clear? So this is about 6-digit numbers. So this 9 is in which place? Ones place. This is in tens place. This is in hundreds place. This is in, let me write this. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Okay, I am adding 1. I will get the 1 lakh. Okay, clear? So next let us see about the place value chart of 6-digit numbers. Place value chart of 6-digit numbers. Okay, so in ones period you will have hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, next you will have next period is what? Thousands. In ones period you will have 3 place values. What are they? Ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period we will have only 2 place values, that is 10,000 and 1000 only. Okay, next lakhs. In lakhs also you will have only 1 place value, only 2 place values. Okay, 10 lakhs and lakhs. This is called 10 lakhs. This is lakhs. This is 10,000s. Okay, this is thousands. This is hundreds. This is tens, and this is 1. So in ones period you are having 3 place values, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, in thousands period you are having thousands and 10,000 both place values. Okay, in lakhs period you are having lakhs and 10 lakhs. These are 2 place values. Okay, so this is the place value chart of 6-digit numbers. Clear? So in the example he has given like this, you have to understand. He has given the example. Let us